A crew poured 150 yards of concrete for the foundation of the coming Adventure and Transit Center in the new Government Peak Recreation Area near Hatcher Pass. The 4,000 square foot structure will be built surrounded by the Talkeetna Mountains, overlooking the valley, creating an awesome place to gather or warm up. Innovation through a team-build approach to construction made a slim $1 million budget deliver a building twice the size as originally expected, 4,000 square feet. Quality is included. The project started with unit heaters to be hung in the corners, but the team-build approach resulted in a state-of-the-art heating system, in-floor radiant heat. The Adventure Center is at the trailhead of a future network of Nordic ski trails. The first 7.5 kilometers were carved into the woods last year, drawing 500 visitors in a single day to take in this sweep of space. This first building adds to the enthusiasm that Matsu can have a recreation magnet out here.